So shall I start now?
Yeah, you can start. No problem.
So here we'll see how to delete rows. Delete rows. Okay. So how we'll do that manually? First we'll select the row, how many rows you want. Then right click and delete. We'll delete this 3 rows. It is starting from 4 to 7. Did I start recording? So first of all, we need to select the sheets where
Active sheet.
active sheet activate. So this is timelines main. Then we need to select a range. So for that we want to delete completely rows. So rows dot select 4 to 7.
Range.
4 7. Then selection dot delete. Then after deleting we should shift the cells up. So let us try now. Activate method of worksheet class field. Okay, we can try with this select. Now I have to close and open this workbook. See, it is taking long time to open now. What is the size? Just 119 KB. Okay, we will try once again. Where is the dashboard? Select. Delete rows. Okay, it has deleted that particular rows. Then you are seeing this selected area. but you can identify from here. From row 3 to 6 are deleted. After deleting, we want the cell to come here. So in that case, what we do is just we say range of A1 dot select. So now it will again delete row 4 to 7. Right now rows 4 to 7 are this one. Go to dashboard and delete rows. Okay. So those rows got deleted, and this time we did not see any selection. Okay, this is how we delete the rows. And suppose if we have to delete the columns, then instead of rows we should mention columns. Let us try that. Otherwise we'll record this time. We did not record it from a long time. Delete columns. Select TUV, right click, delete, then stop recording, then check the macro for it. Okay, columns T2V dot select and delete. Instead of up, it is left. Instead of rows, we are selecting columns, and instead of row number, we are giving column name, because we cannot identify column with the row numbers or with the numbers. That's why we are using this is how we recognize in Excel column names, column numbers. And instead of up, this time we are going to left. Excel to left. Okay, and nothing else. First we select the sheet, then we select the columns which we want to delete, then delete the column and go to the first cell. Okay. I have selected 4 columns, so this one should be there because we are selecting only T to V. Okay, so it has deleted TUV. Now whatever was in the W, it came here in the place of T. We'll try this one. Now the blank columns should go away. Uh, N and O. So select N and 2O into O. So blank columns are gone. So there are no more blank columns.
But didn't you like put like we should select A1? So the cursor is not on A1.
Can you
Or
see
is it?
it?
Okay, okay. I thought that yellow one is the cursor.
Okay. And what else we can see? Excuse me. Okay, we'll see this. We have already saw this in the MS Access. Those it's the same thing in Excel, but we use the Excel sheet or a PDF file uh, as attachment, and we'll send an email. For that, you need to go to references, then select Microsoft Outlook. Sometime Outlook view control that already selected. ActiveX data forms office. I don't see that. So Microsoft Outlook. Outlook view control. I'm sure Outlook is installed. It is there. It's not running. We'll close the file and open it once again. Tools. Outlook 12 object library. This is the one. Sub send sheet or file as attachment. Email attachment. So first of all, we'll create a object for Outlook. Outlook.application. We are creating a Outlook application, and here we'll make little changes so that we know. Okay, then we need another variable for creating an email, Outlook mail as Outlook dot mail item. Here directly we can say new to Outlook application, but we cannot say to mail item because we have to create a mail item. So we'll set it up here, Outlook mail is equal to Outlook app dot create item Outlook mail item. Okay, now we'll use with Outlook mail so that we don't have to write Outlook mail again and again, and end with Are you guys able to hear my voice? Because I think there is an internet connection problem. Are you guys able to hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yes, I can.
Okay. So let us say if we have to create a new mail, what all we have to set? To CC, even BCC sometimes, subject, then finally we attach and we write something in the body, and finally we click on send. So let us do that. First of all, already we took Outlook mail, so we directly type full stop so that we can use to address is equal to, who wants to get a test email? Let me see if I have email addresses. Okay, Nahid and dot cc will be coming to Radhika is not there, Nidhi is there, and Husna is there. Okay, and dot bcc is equal to, we'll send it to Husna. I don't have Husna's email address here. So again, if you want to add some more email addresses, just by giving semicolon, you can add a big list here, or else you can also get it from a Excel sheet or from a MS Access database. Okay. So now we'll write the subject. Subject is equal to test VBA class Outlook email. Okay, this is the subject line, and sometimes if you have to set the importance, then you can use importance is equal to high, low, medium, depending on your requirement. Then body means what is the message you want to write. Body here means message. Okay. Okay. This is to test Outlook email through VBA code. Now if we have to write it on the second line, by like this you can't do. If you want the message to come in the next line, then you have to use a VBCRLF function. Then again continue your text. Second line appears here. Okay, whatever the body, whatever the message you want to pass, you can pass. Okay. Next is passing the attachments. If you have one attachment, you can use dot add attachment. Attachments dot add. Then you need to give the location. Location and file name, which file you want to attach. And you know, right, whatever you want to pass, if you want to pass a variable instead of giving typing this or hard coding this, you can always get it from somewhere else. So right now we'll hard code everything. So I want to attach this test first.pdf file. Okay, first is location of the file, then backslash name of the file with extension, name of the file with the extension is PDF. This is one file. If you want to attach more files, you can use a loop to attach files, and in the variable you can pass the file names. If you have only one or two files at that time, you can use one more dot attachments dot add. Then this time we'll pick it from another location. We'll take some training documents and we'll take this Excel file and name of the file dot XLSX maybe. Let us check that. That is very important to check. It's XLSX. So then if you want to see, then you can use display. Otherwise directly say dot send. Okay. If you want to see, then use display. Let us try this. Okay. So it has automatically filled up Nahid Alam for the to address, then Maheshwari Nidhi, then Husna in BCC, then subject line test VBA class Outlook email. Subject test VBA class Outlook email, and we have set the importance high. It should be somewhere here. Okay, it is here. High importance. Then we have attached two files, test first PDF and VBA training. Both the files are attached. You can click from here, or instead of displaying, just directly you can send it. So I'll close it. I'll discard this message and we'll send this time. But it will take time to leave from here. Okay. Send items. Yeah, it already left. So have you guys received that?
I have to check.
Yeah, I got it.
So you don't have to remember all the code, just but keep this code handy whenever you want. Anyway, this comes in the end of the project. If they want, like most of the users doesn't know that we can automate sending the emails also. Most of them doesn't know. If we say that, then you'll get a good feedback.
Irfan, we didn't created any reference for this, or did you create it? I don't remember.
See, we have used the new keyword, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's why we did not set up again for Outlook application. But for mail item, definitely we have to create that item. So here we have used the reference for Outlook mail. And moreover, here I'll add that need to add reference to Microsoft Outlook 12.0, or if it is version 2007, then it's 12. Otherwise, if 2013, then it is 15. So, but whatever the version is available, you can use that. It works the same way. So even this is done. Then we'll see that templates just very simple. No code is required for that. Suppose we want to create a sheet, this sheet several times, or let us say every day or every week or every quarter. In that case, what they do is just they will create a template, temp, and name of the sheet, timelines, main, and keep the headings there. And if there are any formulas, then all the formulas will be in the second row. First row will have the headings and second row will have formulas, if any formulas using in any of the columns. Then just save it and hide this file. Now from macro, what we do is we unhide it. We have already seen that how to unhide a file, so we are not going to do that again. So we'll use, first of all, unhide the sheet. Then we'll use copy sheet. We have already seen that, add new sheet, delete sheet, copy sheet. Then we add a new sheet and we paste on the new sheet, and we'll rename the sheet with the whatever the name they prefer. Like if it's a daily report, then we'll make it as a daily report and date. If it's a weekly report, then we name it as weekly report and date. Or if it's a monthly report, then name of the month report. So that is how we use. Only these templates work as a backup for us. It's a backup sheet. We never edit this template files directly. This is only used only for as a backup purpose, and we just copy it and paste it in a new sheet, and we rename the sheet. All this will do through a macro. So this is the purpose of templates actually. Even in MS Access also we can create tables if we need some tables to be created every time. Then in that case we just created templates for the tables, and we copy that table and we rename it through macros. So that is how the templates work. If anybody wants the templates, that means you need to create a copy, a model of it, and keep it safely. I want to show the formulas, but Nasheed is not there and Radhika is not there. Uh, Even converting formulas are very easy actually, and it won't take much time. Uh, We'll repeat that again in the next class, but we'll see. Let us type the formula for this 7% tax is equal to quantity into price will give you the total, right? This total is again how will you get the percentage? Into 7 divided by 100. This is how we get the percentage. So, is that correct? Yeah. Yeah, 7 for the 28.84. Right. So, this is one formula and this is, and for getting the total, this is equal to this plus this plus this. So we got the total. Now, if you have to do this formula through a micro, if you pass this as is, it doesn't work. We have to convert this formula. Let us create a macro for this, because if we create it with our logic, most of the time it's going to create some errors. So always do one thing. If you have the formula, copy it from a formula bar, not from here, not from the cells. Copy it from the formula bar, then record macro, then paste the formula. Okay. Now stop the recording and go back and check. This is our formula. Can you understand anything from this formula? It has converted into rows and columns. It is saying this is row 1 and this is column 5, then into again row 1 column 4, then this is 7 by 100 divided. So it is not easy to manually do this. So always record the macro and get the formula, and how we do that, you know, and this is the line of code which we need to do. So for now I'll copy this line and we'll go back and we'll create a macro for that. So enter formulas. Okay. This is what we need, but before that we need to select the sheet, right? It is sales, and we'll remove this now because already we have the formula. Six. Now it is going to put on the row 1, but we want it in the row 2. This is row 2. So I'll make a little change here. Row 2. And columns remain same. 4 and 5. Okay. So now let us try to run this formula. So what it is showing? 0.
Columns won't be 4 and 5. It will be, I think, 2 and 3.
Column 2 into 3. Hmm. It is changing the references. So here's something wrong.
I didn't change the second column. It's still column 4. You have to make it column.
Okay. This is column 3. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Here I took row 3, row 2, column 2, row 2, column 2, row 2, column 3. Let us try this one. B4 into A4. Something wrong here. This formula is correct. We have generated originally, we'll copy that. Otherwise we'll record once again. Is equal to 4 into this one, B2 into C2 into 7 divided by 100. Stop recording and delete this. So we'll select the proper range where we want. is D2. Now we got the right value. So this is a very small formula, but most of the time, some formulas like VLOOKUP are very big, and especially if we are getting the value from different workbook. You guys know, right? How to get get the lookup value from another workbook. It's same. I believe already you know, right? I don't have to show that again.
Look up value from another sheet. Yes, I didn't got.
Oh, I see.
Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll get the lookup value for a face from another workbook. Okay, and this will record. Convert VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. Look for this value in another workbook. Maybe in downloads. Okay, now it opened. We'll get this project ID from this file, or okay, we'll get the face from this file, and we'll remove the filters. This is our main file. First we need to stop and clear that macro. So I'm starting from the beginning again. Convert VLOOKUP formula is the macro name. Okay, is equal to VLOOKUP. This is the value we want to look up, and we want to get it from another workbook which is already opened, and we want to look up for the face, and we want face to be returned. So we have selected a table here, comma, which column we want face column, so that is third column. This is 1, 2 and 3, third column, and we want a exact match. Oh no. Okay. No, it did not work.
Irfan, how can we match this B2? I mean, in the third column, there are numbers 101, 102. So how will they match with the tablet names?
No, we are looking into this file for this.
Mm-hmm.
We are matching with this ones.
Okay, you're matching with the first, but we wrote third. We want the value third. Okay, got it.
Do we have? Okay, here. Otherwise, we'll get the project IDs here. Okay, we'll get the project IDs. Is equal to VLOOKUP, then search for this where we want to search in another workbook, and here are the values, and we want a project ID, so we take it column 2 for that, and we want a exact match, so we close the bracket. No, I don't think anything is wrong here. Nothing is wrong here, I'm sure. Projects A2 P7 1. Yeah, formula is correct. I don't know why it's not coming. We'll try with within the same sheet, but we can do with the another sheet. I think Husna has done with the another sheet, right? Another workbook,
Yes.
and it worked.
Yes.
Okay, now these values are in sheet 3 is equal to VLOOKUP. This is what we want to search for. Then we want to set the values. Then we want to return the second column, and we want to match the values. Oh my god, what's wrong here? Okay, anyway, formula is same. I don't know why it's not working here. Something is wrong. Value not available. Okay. Not written for anything. Something wrong. Okay, let us try now. It's equal to VLOOKUP, then look for this and look in this sheet, then column 2, then match, close. Okay, now it came on. Oh no. Okay, because of this, we need to add dollar sign so that it doesn't lose the table range. Okay, now it's coming. I'll move this sheet to another workbook. To a new workbook, and this workbook will save on the documents with the name test VLOOKUP. Okay, and sheet 3. Sheet name is sheet 3. Oh, I'll delete this sheet. Very tiny. This is the workbook where we are. Is equal to VLOOKUP. Now we will search for this value in a different workbook which we created now, and we'll select the table and we'll return the column 2 and will match, and this is grow. Okay, now this is the VLOOKUP formula and we got from the another workbook. Now to convert this formula to VBA code, we'll record this, convert VLOOKUP formula. So just paste it here Something is broken here. We want exact match. And it has dollar signs. So now we can stop the macro and we'll see how the VLOOKUP formula came. This is the one. No, this is the one. So this is the VLOOKUP formula which is converted to a VLOOKUP to VBA. So if we try to do this manually, then it's going to take long time and it may create many errors and it may eat up your time. So just try to create a macro and like record a macro and get the result from it. That is my advice for everyone. Okay. Can you understand from this formula what it's saying here? So
I think it just says the row and column numbers, like row is 0 and then
here
column
we can
1.
identify. Here we can identify. From here to here we are able to identify. And this is the lookup value. So maybe rest of the things we'll see tomorrow and we'll try to finish it off this one and we work on the projects. We have only pivot tables and pivot charts. Maybe if you guys want, I can show you the calculations. This is also a small thing.
No, now we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, then we'll stop the class here. Anybody